Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, it's Dante and welcome back this week. Today we're going to go over a clicking burner with your gas oven. So we come over here, you're trying to light your range, your stove. It's just clicking, it's not doing anything. One thing you can do and check out is your burner cap, which is this right here. Could be on a little bit cockeyed, blocking the flame. The igniter itself, which is right here, could be a little bit dirty, built up food. So I'm going to clean that with a rag or a Brillo pad. That will also help. Or the other possibility is that your igniter inside your range could be busted. If you're a handyman, it's an easy fix. You can just get your model serial, which is going to be inside either in the door or right down here with your warming tray. You can look up your models on Google, find it. Pretty easy part to replace if you're handy. If not, then you want to call a repairman, get them out there, and be an easy fix for them and not too expensive on the wallet. That's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to come like and subscribe to this video and come back next week for more information. Thank you.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.